Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A available on Android devices? So I already installed the application what EDIFIER offer for the speakers. It's called EDIFIER Home, and if I open it I can see available devices here. So you need to, if you want to also check it, click at the plus near to the devices. And right here we have a list with available devices. And right here we have a model MS50A, so this one is our model. And my short answer is yes, this application available for your speaker on Android. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!